So over here, you can see that I got the form fields right here. And let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in some elements. So let's say I want to go ahead and add in a visual cue somewhere around over here in between the form to separate out the form element. So for that, I can actually go ahead and utilize the divider right here, just like this, which is a faint line. But if you want a more, let's say for example, a distinct line, you can go to widget and then you will be able to see form separator right here. So let's just go around over here and scroll down. And here, what you will be able to do is, let's say for example, you can see all of these right here. You can go around over here onto form separators right here. As I were to go ahead and click and drag, you can see that this is what you have. So let's just go ahead and remove this, and over here in the widget, you can see that you can change the form separator type to dash. You can change the line color, add in the hexadecimal color code right here. If you don't know how hexadecimal colors work, you can actually go ahead and use, let's say for example, hex color code selector right here. So as I do that, you can go ahead and utilize any color picker, and then you can see that you can select out a color and then utilize that particular color. You can go ahead and press Ctrl C and then paste this out of the hash right here. You can change the line height. So right now it's set to 8. So I'm just going to go around and say 15 right here. You can change the horizontal space to, let's say for example, 10, and space above the line right here, just like this, as you want right here. So let's just say 10 right here, and then click on update. Once I do that and click on preview form right here, you can see the separator as per the parameters we set right here, just like that. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the form separator. And as with any other form elements, you can go ahead and then align it out as you wish right here, and then add in a label if you want as well right here, but it does not really matter because it's just a separator, but center aligning it does matter. Apart from that, if you want, you can work around with the advanced setting as well. But anyways, you can see that this is how you can add in the form separator widget as you want inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.